two different shops. One is for creator and the other one is for seller. Essentially, the first one over here is if you want to make money as an affiliate. In this particular example over here, you can earn a commission with TikTok Shop Affiliate. You can simply link up products from other people's stores. For example, you're making content about, let's say, running or gym, right? And there are people who are selling gym equipment or selling gym clothes or gym supplements, right? And you can essentially go and under your videos you can tag their products. You can put their products into your account. So when people shop from your account, you can simply earn commission. In this particular example, the requirements and the eligibility stands that first of all, your account should not be posting anything that is against the TikTok community guidance. You should have over 5,000 followers, which is half of the requirements for creativity program beta, which I believe, guys, is very, very possible. And of course, you should be at least 18 years old, which again is very, very easy. I think this it's a good program. I have another TikTok account. I have over 70,000 followers on the other one. I've listed plenty of items. Honestly, guys, I haven't sold anything. So I don't know, maybe my items are too expensive or maybe the niche it's different. So you want to make sure you list items that very, very reliable to your audience, right? Don't list like musical instruments or something if your page is not for musicians. The second shop over here, guys, is for sellers.